In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use make.com, formerly known as Integromat, to work with routers and filters effectively. Whether you're new to this automation tool or just looking to enhance your workflows, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the steps to help you streamline your processes seamlessly. First, head over to the make.com website. This platform is a powerhouse for connecting apps and designing workflows. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Click on the Sign In button to access your make.com account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll want to set up an account to get started. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Make homepage. This is your command central for all automation activities. Look for the New Scenario button, because this will be your starting point for creating new automation scenarios tailored to your needs. Upon clicking New Scenario, you'll see the option to Add. Select that, and then you're going to add 2 modules to begin building out your automation. These modules are essential building blocks, each representing a specific task or action within your workflow. Think of them as the individual gears that work together to keep your machine running smoothly. Next, an important visual cue to look out for. Hover over the line connecting your modules. This is key because it allows you to insert filters and routers, helping you define precisely how and when actions should occur based on specific conditions. Once you hover, a Setup Filter option should appear. Click on it. Setting up filters is crucial as it enables you to sort through data and determine which pieces of information should move forward in the scenario. This means only relevant data proceeds, keeping your workflow efficient. With your filters in place, seek out the wrench icon. Clicking on this handy tool allows you to adjust settings and fine-tune your modules, ensuring they perform exactly as needed. Take a moment to explore any configurations available here that might optimize your process further. Finally, to introduce logic paths into your scenario, click on Add Router. By doing this, you open up multiple avenues within your workflow, directing different items of data down distinct paths based on the conditions you've set up. Routers are particularly useful for scenarios where decisions need to be made dynamically, based on different criteria your data might meet. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using routers and filters on make.com to create streamlined, efficient workflows. By following these steps, you've unlocked a system tailored to ensuring your tasks are automated and optimized with precision and clarity. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!